Okay, with the fire-rated eMullion, the post itself is actually the same as are all the posts. It's identical. So the only difference is in the way that it is installed and the hardware. The fire-rated housing is labeled, we're in Hershey 90 minutes, and the differences between the original housing and the fire-rated housing is their length. It's way longer. And the biggest point is that in the non-fire rated, the nose is steel, part of the housing. In the fire rated, the nose, being longer, is actually polymer. It's a plastic. So what happens is when you install your eMullion post, the post comes up to the bottom of the plastic. In the event of a fire, the temperature of the fire melts the plastic, leaving a space of about 1.5 inches for that post to expand. If that space wasn't there, like in this case here, where the nose is solid steel, the post cannot expand, so it's pushing against solid steel, pushing against the header and block up above. The post has nowhere to go, so the post will buckle, popping the latches and releasing the doors, creating a draft. And this is what they don't want. They don't want the doors to open during a fire. They want the doors closed and stay closed. So by having this plastic it melts away, giving the post freedom to move up as it expands, keeping the post straight and the strikes locked into place. So that's the difference between non-fire rated and fire rated posts. The other difference is, unlike in a regular post that we provide polymer plates with, the fire rated post has a steel base plate. Therefore, it cannot melt and it'll keep the door in place.